real-time music videos generated in less than 10 seconds. This is Freebeat AI. I will have a link in the description below. Along the top bar, they have something new, real-time music video. It is really, really cool, and it is incredibly fast. So when you're here, we have the ability to upload a song, so we can actually see the trending that they have. We can add songs from any of the following. So SoundCloud, YouTube, the list goes on, TikTok, whatever you want, or you can upload your own song. If you have songs you've uploaded, you can see I have mine here. So this is the song I use as the outro for my videos. You can see we have ability to do like custom, or we can say, okay, I only want to take a 10-second snippet. So I can take this area here, I can hit play, I can hear it back. I can move like this little playback bar to pick the exact area where I want my song to come from. Once you're happy with it, we're going to hit confirm, and now we can enter in the world we want to create. So maybe a high-tech world, matrix style. At the bottom here, we can even choose the aspect ratio. So we have options. So if we want to make like a YouTube video or a TikTok video or something for Instagram stories, we have the ability to change the aspect ratio to whatever we want. I'm just going to make sure I have this copied. We're going to hit create, and we're going to see a screen that looks like this. So it's going to prepare the real-time session for us, and then on the right, it's where our music video is going to be. So when it's preparing the real-time music session, the real-time session, it's going to give us some options. We can use the presets they provide, or we can pick whatever we want. So you can say, okay, I want to make it like any of the following. Here are the different presets that we can do. So do we want like Tokyo Streets, moonwalking? Do we want like more cartoonish or something more like entering a fairy tale world? Or we can pick custom if we want. And for custom, we can just like type in whatever we want. So like a high-tech world, matrix style. And now you can see aspect ratio, sound effects. We're going to keep sound effects off for now, just because we don't really need them. And now you can actually see it says, okay, what camera angle do we want? So do we want like point of view, dramatic, ambient? So let's hit dramatic, and you're going to see the director is thinking. It's all ready to go. We can hit let's go. And this is the incredible part. So I am doing 0 edits here at this point. It is going to generate the video for us, and it's going to be very quick. Okay. So it has the first frame, the song starts, moment the video is ready.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.
The generation aspect is incredibly fast, which means it's like being a VJ, a video jockey, where you're mixing audio and visuals in real time, or near real time. You're going to get instant feedback with a very small delay, and then you're able to create fun and compelling content extremely quickly. So if you're doing a live stream, a live performance, a DJ set, and you want cool visuals, it is a really neat tool. You can quickly explore different creative directions, and then take your favorite one and move it to the main agent that I've showed you in prior videos while covering Freebeat, and you can have it polish up the entire idea. So think of this as a fast way to iterate. This time around, we're going to upload a song, and imagine this like a song for a wedding, and we're going to put in our description. So imagine you're a DJ or VJ at a wedding, and you have like a song playing. We can say, hey, gentle swirling nebula, a soft pinks, purples, deep blues, slowly falling, and you can see like the whole prompt, cherry blossom petals, and all that kind of fun stuff. So we can hit create, and you're going to see again that it's going to go through the same exact process, and it is very, very fast. So again, it's going to go through the left. It's going to prepare the real-time session. We're going to have to pick those 2 options once again, and then we're going to get our music video. So honestly, like the longest part is preparing the real-time session. It's just getting it all ready to go. And now we have our pre-built world. Again, we can pick any of these presets if we want. If we want to use one of theirs, we can totally do it. I like custom. I just think it's kind of fun because I am able to iterate and try different things, like I was saying, however I want it to be. And then we're going to pick whatever we want here. So maybe we want ambient this time. And again, we are ready to go. We can hit let's go. Going to generate like the first image, the last image, convert it all to a video, and we're going to see our music video like very, very quickly. And it's interesting because you see like little dots at the bottom creating your frame, but wait, hold on, it's almost done. You can see it popped up, and there we go.
They're all just shapes against the wall. We're the only ones who didn't fall. The edge is gone, the colors bleed.
it is incredibly fun because of how fast it is. Again, iteration. It's amazing. Now, we're going to hit back to the start, and this time around, I want to try one of the presets. So I'm going to add the same song as before, but this time around, I'm going to actually make it 60 seconds because I want to really try to push the limits. I'm just going to pick a random spot. Let's hope it works out well. Let's hit confirm, and I'm not going to add in a prompt because we're going to use one of the presets that they have. I've been having fun playing around with this as well, and I'm going to show you that you can actually make adjustments on the fly to the video that it creates. And I know you're probably going to think, hey, it's only generating really quick for a 60-second clip because it is a preset. But wait till I show you that you can actually iterate on top. You can make adjustments. We can provide instant feedback. So you can see here we have all these different options. There are a ton of different things, and I'm going to pick one that will match. So let's go with this like floral float one. And then we have the ability to choose which camera we want. So let's do point of view, and you're going to see we can say, let's go, and it's going to start generating, and it is very quick, right? So you can actually see it here, but we have this let's nudge, and let's actually nudge it because I don't want you to think, hey, this is a preset. So I want it to be rainbow colors, and you're going to see here, it's going to start adjusting the video based on our prompt. So you can actually see it's like updating, and we can actually hit nudge, and you're going to see here, like make her fly through a forest. And we have the ability to make adjustments where it's going to actually like update on the fly. Now, I have the full 60-second clip, and it rendered it equally as fast as the 10-second clip. I'm going to show you the exact points where it updated so you can actually see the result. So you can see it playing, and that's like the clip that we had that we started with. And then when we say, hey, I want rainbows, right? Like I don't want normal colors, you can actually see the rainbow come in right here. So she literally morphs into a rainbow. Check this out. It is really cool. And then she comes back, right? And then towards the end, we said, hey, we want her to go through a forest. So she's just flying along, and all of a sudden it becomes a forest. So you can actually see we're able to iterate pretty quickly on top, and our end result looks like this.
The ring, I'm counting rhythms of everything. The room is melting amber heat, just the shifting of our feet. The edge is gone, the colors bleed. The colors bleed. You're the only frequency I need.
And again, the end result is really cool, and it's incredibly quick. I've covered Freebeat a number of times on the channel. I think their offering is really cool. Again, this is the real-time music video. It's like the new features that they've just added. And if you go to music video in the top left, this is what I was saying earlier. So you have like the singing music video, storytelling, abstract. You have all the different versions, and you also have the real-time up there. And then if you pick any of these versions, you're actually going to get an agent that's going to go through and work with you to polish the result. You can totally use the real-time music video feature that I was just showing you to come up with the idea, and then use their agent to polish the idea into a nice finished product. As always, I will have a link in the description below so you can check out. And using my link, you do get a 10% discount when you sign up for a pro membership. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you enjoy AI, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content, want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video. Oh, real quick, if you didn't know, the outro video for all my videos was made by Freebeat, so check it out.